What's up, everybody? Try and make this one quick. Just had a few things to say about shout out videos. I've been shout out a few people's videos, and that's awesome. I appreciate it, and I have returned the favor, and I've shout out a lot of other people. I mean, I'm doing more shout outs than anybody that I know of right now. You know, I'm shouting out, I think some people, 5 people in my first one, 6 people or 7 people in my second one. I don't have that many subs. My average views are not very high, so you know, it's not going to do a lot of good for anybody that I shout out, but I'm trying to get it out there, just like other people are. You know, it seems like that's the thing right now, is doing shout out videos for each other, for all those smaller channels. What I have a problem with, though, is I've gotten, I think, 3 messages now from 3 different individuals. I'm not going to call them out, but these fucking dickhead cockstains that I thought were my friends, you know, they're all fucking messaging me bitching and complaining because I haven't shouted them out. Like, why haven't you given me a shout out? Why haven't you given me a shout out? Fuck you! Shut your cock holster. I'll fucking shout you out when I'm ready. I mean, now you're not getting a shout out at all because you complain. It's like, if you ask me for a shout out, or you bitch about not getting one, you're not gonna get a fucking shout out. I mean, I might consider someone asking me under certain circumstances. You know, maybe you're a very, very small channel, but you do have the good content. If you keep me entertained, I might shout you out. And I'm very easily entertained. But fucking messaging me on Instagram, bitching at me for not shouting you out yet, that's fucking pretty fucking shitty right there, dude. And I'm actually quite irritated and pissed off about it. You know, this is a thing to do to help smaller channels out. You know, yes, I've shouted out a couple bigger channels. There's a scrape for everybody that likes to complain about my scraping. Yes, I have shouted out a couple bigger channels, not real huge, but a couple. But I am trying to stick with, you know, my friends and small channels. I mean, even if we're not friends and we're just, all we do is talking, passing, and comments on each other's videos, you know, and your small channel, I'll still shout you out, you know, if I enjoy your content. If I don't enjoy your stuff, I'm not going to give you a shout out. So, if everybody enjoys the shout out videos, let me know. If you don't really care for them, let me know. I mean, this is going to be the deciding factor if I do shout out videos anymore. I'm going to let the people decide. So, in the comments below, down there, over there, down. Please, let me know what you think. Do you enjoy the shout out videos? Is there something different you would like to see? Or could you care less and I need to just stop doing them? I'm ready to stop doing them now because those 3 people really pissed me off. But it takes away from other people. So, let me know in the comments what you guys think. You know? Let's see if I can get a long scrape. Woohoo! Not sharp enough corner. And for everybody who wants to know what my floorboards look like, hopefully the camera picks that up. You can see how wore out they are. You can see how thin they are right there. Woo, yeah. Got a pretty good sharp edge to it too. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this one. I'm at work. About to get my work on. So I will catch you on the flip side. Later.